Friends, the first step, you have to open your Instagram profile and you have to select any post and you have to simply long tap it and you have to take the screenshot. You have to take the screenshot. This is the first step. The next step, you have to go to the PicsArt application. See you there. Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. You have to tap on edit a photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image. The first step, you have to go to draw. You have to go to draw, tap on draw and zoom out like this. Tap on layers, select this layer. Now go to add objects. Go to add objects, tap on photo and select the screenshot. Friends, this is the screenshot we took. Now simply crop it. Now tap on tick mark. Now it is perfect, friends. Now simply decrease the opacity. Now arrange it perfectly like this. Now increase the opacity. Now tap on eraser, tap on shapes. Now select the square, scroll up, tap on fill, tap on OK. Now have to erase the inside portion like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark, again tap on discard. It's very simple and easy tutorial, friends. Next step, to go to tools, tap on adjust, decrease brightness, increase contrast. These are the main steps, friends. Now go to clarity, increase clarity, increase the saturation to 100. Friends, this is the main step. Increase saturation to 100. Tap on highlights, little highlights, tap on shadow, decrease little shadow, and this is also main step. Increase the temperature around 40. Perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on shapes, tap on invert, tap on square. Now have to fill the inside portion by using this square. Simply drag it. Now drag down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now again we have to do a little adjustments. Increase little temperature, little shadow, little clarity, little contrast, little decrease little brightness. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, this is simple and easy tutorial, friends. That's it. You can see this is the before image, here is the after image. Simply follow each and every single step so you can also edit perfectly like this. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.